Welcome to an unboxing of my Battlefield 4 RAZER keyboard I just got here right now, a couple seconds ago. I'm gonna test the little thing. It's pretty loud. Black Widow, I'm gonna be unboxing it. Code expires 3/10/14. I need to buy that. GameRazerzone.com for gamers by gamers collector. Battlefield 4. I haven't really touched the box, just looked at it for a couple seconds. Looking at Snaps 2.0, Windows 8 compatible, design and engineering in California, which is where I live. Bunch of shit like that. Blue switches, which is cool. I like blue switches. So, I'm gonna get right in here. This is my living room. Try to open the box with my legs and my hands. Damn, tape is so damn hard. It's so hard to open these fucking tape. Wait, I want you to see the tape. There you go. I got the peel. I have it peeled. The box. I got it peeled really slowly because I'll rip the box. I want to keep the box intact. I did take off the RAZER sleeve. Gave me a sleeve that sort of appear just RAZER again, and a little bit of tape to go. There you go. It's rippable tape. I hate that. I just didn't notice that. Okay, that's my sister's cup. Oh shit. Okay, so I got that open. I'm gonna try to open. Jesus, it's hard to open. Okay, so I'm gonna need to put it on the keyboard on the floor. There's nothing else in the box. So this is where the keyboard is. Oh fuck. This thing is heavy. It comes in a little protective sleeve thing. It's pretty good. A keyboard somehow. Jesus. This is like high-end packaging. That came off. Okay. That plastic sheeting off and stuff. Need to pop the sides off. I'm popping the sides off and stuff. Need to put my Okay, so RAZER, we've got the RAZER stuff in here. Got the RAZER dog tag. Got that here, and I'm gonna show that to you. The RAZER stuff, the keyboard, the mouse pad, the mouse. I'm not getting the mouse. I got the RAZER stickers, snaps, the bunch of stuff there. Actual keyboard itself, it's pretty nice. It's pretty light. It's lighter than my keyboard. Pretty thick, by the way. Here is the damn USB and stuff. Pretty big packaging for just the keyboard. Pretty cool. That's the damn space bar. We'll be doing a review later. Sounds like mouse clicks, but be back soon.